If your NBA 2K26 keep freezing or crashing, try these quick fixes. First of all, check your console storage. If your PlayStation or Xbox is low on space, delete unused games or files. Low storage can cause lag and crashes. Then restart the game, and if it still freezes, reboot your console too. For online issues, use a wired LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi, or move closer to your router. You can also restart your router or try a different park server or friend session. Make sure your saved data is synced, then reinstall the game if needed. On PlayStation, restoring licenses can also help. Another good fix is starting your console in safe mode and selecting rebuild database. It won't delete anything but can improve performance. If the issue continues, you can also contact 2K support and mention where it happens, like Park or My Career. Meanwhile, avoid that mode and play others like the one of Proving Grounds until it's patched. And yeah, that's how you can fix crashing and freezing in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.